Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Thursday to you. It is Thursday, January 13th. Is today the 13th?
Yes.
13th? Yeah, wow. January 13th already. Happy Thursday to everybody. We are back open tonight. We are open from Thursday to Monday, closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So you'll be seeing me today and tomorrow. Happy Thursday. I see some people joining. Hello, everybody. Hello, Dave. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'd love to see who's joining me. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. Those of you who have just begun to watch me or are new at watching me, I do these Facebook Lives almost every day during the middle of the week. Been doing them since the beginning of the pandemic, since March of 2020. I try to jump on at different times, a little after 4. I do a cocktail time with Jamie. I like to bring you special cocktails, things that I find, things that I make up from behind the bar. Staff members make things up and they're like, can you try this? Can you try that? So this is a great opportunity for me to share some of those awesome, cool cocktails with you. I also give you an update every day on what is going on here at Aroma Time and with our grocery store and what our specials are and things like that. So we'll start off with our new $9.99 special for the week. It's takeout only. It is our tiki masala chicken served with our brown rice pilaf. That is $9.99. And then we also have an awesome deal. It's only for people that know about it. So we're only announcing it through our email and through Facebook. It is a buy one, get one free for the month of January. For those of you that don't know, we opened in January of 2003, well, 2004 really. So we just celebrated our 18th anniversary here at Aroma Time. We opened on New Year's Eve. And we try to do a big special in the month of January at some point to commemorate and celebrate our anniversary of Aroma Time. We've been bringing you this amazing food for 18 years now. So it is a buy one, get one free offer. So it's anything off of our menu. It is buy one of those entrees and get the same entree for free. So if you wanted a ribeye, it would be buy one ribeye, get one free. Buy one salmon, get one free. Buy one margarita pizza, get a margarita pizza free. So you have to get the same thing, and it cannot be used towards our $9.99 special. That's already an awesome special, an awesome deal, but you can use it towards anything on our menu to order. Sorry, Justin was just calling me, so I had to push that up. I'll call him right back. He is home until tomorrow from college, and he goes back and moves into his dorm tomorrow and gets ready for his awesome baseball season. So he's had a great fall into winter, and he's looking forward to a great season. So you'll be hearing and getting lots of updates about Justin and his baseball career up at Canisius, Division I baseball. He'll be playing, he's a lefty pitcher, throwing about 91 miles an hour. He hit 91 last week, so he'll be consistent at Aroma Time. So hopefully he's going to tell me that he's on his way home. He was getting an oil change today and doing some things before he headed back to college tomorrow. So. All right, let's see. So, some $9.99 specials. I just went through those with you. We are open. Albie's here tomorrow. Albie plays tomorrow at Aroma Time, 6:30 to 9:30. He is here playing live inside, so please come on by, make a reservation, catch him. We will be busy tomorrow night. Albie brings in quite a crowd, so we'd love for you to join us for drinks, for dinner, and please make reservations. That is tomorrow night. There's no cover charge. You can come in for a drink, you can come in for dinner, sit and relax and listen to Albie play. So super excited about having Albie back tomorrow. We'll be back in February 18th and March 18th as well. Let's see, I think that's really it. For those of you that don't know, our $9.99 bottles of wine on the bar was canceled this Sunday. We will reschedule it for April. We will do it when we can be inside and outside and people feel a little bit more comfortable. So in the meantime, today I'm going to be making a gin hot toddy. So I am going to be using Monopola dry gin. So I'm going to add 2 ounces to my glass. I am going to be using honey. So I have my honey warmed up here, ready to go into my hot toddy. So a little bit of honey. So about 2 ounces of gin, little honey. I'm going to use some Natalie's orange juice. I'm going to put a splash of that in there. And that's probably maybe half an ounce. And then I'm going to top it off with hot water. So thanks everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. Hello, hello. Hello Dawn. Hello Barbara. Hello Kat. Hello Heidi. Toddy, Sabrina. Thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Matthew. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to go ahead and mix up this hot toddy. Get that honey to dissolve in there. If you don't have honey at home, you can use agave, but I love to use honey in my hot toddy. I'm going to top it off with one of these awesome orange slices that we have dried. So look how cool those are. Love them. You know, one of my goals this year were to have more garnishes, and so this is one of them. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Ooh, gin, honey, hot water, and orange juice. It is delicious. So put that in there. Take another little sip. It's nice and warm. You can heat it up as much as you'd like. Make it as hot as you'd like it to be, but it's really delicious. Really nice. 3.5 miles. I walked around today. I did a really nice walk, 3.5 mile walk today, and I am not looking forward to the cold coming back. I think it's coming back this weekend. It's supposed to be super low. We're supposed to get snow this week. Oh my goodness. But anyway, it is winter in New York, and we have to respect that. $9.99 special this week is tiki masala chicken to go. We do a buy one get one free on entrees. You cannot put it towards any specials or any other specials or anything like that, or discounts, because they're already discounted, and we still have to stay open and keep the doors open. But that is our anniversary special to you. Happy Thursday to you, and cheers, and we will catch everybody soon. Hi Connie, hello Dawn, thank you everybody, cheers, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great night.